Apple's about to change the game again, and this time, it's not just an upgrade. It's a complete redefinition of what the iPad can be. The upcoming M5 iPad Pro 2025 is already breaking the internet with 7 shocking leaks and real benchmark results that are beyond anything we've ever seen before. From an unbelievably thin new design and a next-gen tandem OLED display to the insanely powerful M5 chip that's crushing MacBook-level performance, this might just be the most advanced iPad Apple has ever built. And get this, early leaks reveal Apple is finally bringing full desktop power, AI-driven creativity, and record-breaking efficiency to the iPad Pro lineup. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Whether you're a creator, designer, student, or just someone obsessed with cutting-edge tech, you're going to want to see this, so grab your seat, because today we're diving deep into the 7 biggest M5 iPad Pro leaks: design, display, performance, iPadOS 19 AI features, accessories, benchmarks, and more. And trust me, number 7 will completely blow your mind. Let's get into it. The iPad Pro lineup has always been Apple's statement piece, a product designed not just to push boundaries but to completely redefine what a tablet can do. And now, in 2025, the highly anticipated M5 iPad Pro is at the center of an incredible wave of rumors, leaks, and early benchmark data that suggest Apple might be preparing its most advanced and futuristic iPad yet. From a redesigned chassis and groundbreaking new display technology to a silicon chip that obliterates every previous benchmark record. The M5 iPad Pro 2025 isn't just another upgrade. It's shaping up to be a revolution in performance, creativity, and artificial intelligence integration. Let's dive into all 7 shocking leaks and the real-world performance results that have surfaced. Because if even half of this information is true, Apple may have just created the ultimate professional tablet of the decade. First up, the design overhaul. Apple has reportedly gone back to the drawing board to craft a new design that makes the M5 iPad Pro not only thinner and lighter than ever, but also more durable and futuristic in appearance. Early CAD renders and factory leaks show an ultra-slim aluminum and glass hybrid frame, rumored to be just 4.8 mm thick, making it the thinnest Apple product in history. That's even slimmer than the iPod Nano from back in the day, which is mind-blowing when you consider the raw power Apple is packing inside this device. The bezels have also been reduced significantly, almost disappearing into the display itself, giving a more immersive viewing experience. Apple is expected to shift the front camera to the landscape position, finally aligning with how users actually use iPads for video calls and work. The magnetic connectors for the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil have also been redesigned, with a new MagSafe charging port making its way to the iPad Pro for the first time. This means faster wireless charging and a cleaner overall user experience, which hints at Apple's ongoing vision of a portless future. But the second major leak, and possibly the most exciting for visual professionals, revolves around the display technology. Multiple sources, including reliable supply chain insiders, have confirmed that Apple is finally bringing tandem OLED technology to the iPad Pro lineup in 2025. What does that mean? Essentially, 2 OLED panels are layered together to achieve double the brightness and color depth without suffering from traditional OLED burn-in issues. Early test panels have shown brightness levels exceeding 1600 nits peak HDR and 1000 nits sustained, which is astonishing